Hi, my name is Sherry. Select Home Improvements contacted me because they're trying to get new places in the Chula Vista area, and I had them come over and they presented their materials and the way that they did things, and I was impressed right away with the salesperson and the materials that they offered. So I went ahead and signed the contract. The maintenance team came out and they did a fantastic job of informing me of every step along the way, what was going to happen and how long it was going to take. And the project manager helped me make some decisions about the colors just based on his experience and how things went together. And I love the way that it turned out. I'm very happy with the way the home looks. And I think it makes the home feel a little bit cooler because I live close to the coast. I don't need air conditioning, but it seems to stay cooler in the house longer throughout the day.